Good day and welcome to this video. So this video is going to be a Canva class. We are going to be talking about how to build portfolio. There are two ways to actually build portfolio. The first one is very easy, and I don't think I want to stress myself to teach you how to do it because it's too easy. Just simply go to Google Drive, create folders. You can name one folder my portfolio, second folder can be samples, the second folder can be reviews, the third folder can be best works. So you can just create a portfolio grouping different sections of your work experience, the reviews you've gotten, the clients that you've worked with, and just share the link of that folder online. And when people click that link, they see that is your portfolio and they go through all the folders of your portfolio. So that's one way, which is very easy, but the disadvantage with it is that it's not very graphical. The second way to create a portfolio is to create a portfolio as a PDF file, and that's what we want to do here. So we are going to first come here and we're going to type portfolio. To show you many portfolio templates that you can use. Pardon my network, please. When you see all these all this stuff, it means it's not free, but this one is free, I guess. Yeah, this is free. Okay, I think this is free, so let's just use this. So when you are now in the design, you can now edit it as you want. So I'm just going to use any picture and imagine that picture is you, then I'm just going to name it. So let's just delete all this unnecessary stuff. Let's change the color. This color looks very childish to me. Let's change this color to, sorry, I'm not very good with colors anyway because I'm not exactly a graphic designer. Let's use this. Let's change this from creative to SEO. Right. And we need to change this font. Why? Because when it comes to stuff like this, it's not all about designs or how creative you can be. It has to be, it's more of how clear you can be. So it's not all about cleverness, it's about clarity. So don't just be using designs or templates because Canva shows you one design. Make sure it is clear. So this is obvious that we are an SEO. Okay. You can play around everything. You can even change the entire look of this whole design. You can change everything entirely. Depends on how creative you are. Some of you watching this video might be graphic designers already, so you should not have problem with this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this dot. Let's just remove this. I'm going to remove this. And I think I'm going to use a rocket. Why? Because rocket implies boost, like SEO writing, boost website, so it works. So let's just use rocket. So SEO content writer, this skyrocket the traffic of a website, this can skyrocket the sales of a website. So using a rocket works. Let's just move this here. Some elements have editable pictures, like this element. Now you can't edit it has editable colors. So for this element we can't edit the color. Let's pick this instead. Let's use this one instead. As you can see, it's telling you can edit the colors. So I'm going to delete this. You don't necessarily have to use the ones that can edit colors. It just depends on you. For me, I think I like this guy, this moon guy. Let me use him instead. Let me see if I can edit the color. Okay, it seems I can't edit the color. Anyway, let me just remove this guy. But I like him, so I'm just going to use this new guy. Then I'm going to tilt it upwards so that it looks clear that the rocket is going up. Then I make this smaller. Okay, so let's say your name is Adewale Joel, like me. You definitely need to make this bigger, so let me first pull this outside. Let's make this one too bigger. Hope you understand what I'm doing. So I'm basically showing you, it's like I'm going through the stress of creating a portfolio all from the beginning, just so I can show you how to create a PDF portfolio. So then I can bring this Adewale Joel, I can bring him inside here. Let's make him a lot bigger. Yeah, I think this is okay. What happened to the fonts? Interest Ctrl Z. You can also use your keyboard to move. You can just press the directional keys. I think that's what they call it. Just press directional keys. Yeah, I think these fonts are beginning to conflict. When you are designing anything, one thing I know about design is you must only use a maximum of 2 fonts. So I think we have 3 fonts here. Wait, let me confirm. This is what fonts? Fabulous New. Okay, it's the same font. Okay, so now I can now change this to the name of your website. Let's say your website is www.adewaleseo.com. Good. So now we have the first PDF page of our website, of our portfolio. Next thing is to come here. So I can just delete this because I don't even like this. Or I can just change this to SEO portfolio. So here you can simply say I am an SEO writer who has helped over 150 websites owner generate at least $1,000+ from organic traffic. So remove this nonsense. Change this to SEO writing service. You can call it top-notch SEO writing service. SEO writing So this is just how you start. You design everything over and over again. You change, you remove some things. So you just keep editing and editing. As you can see about me, you can leave everything like this, then you just be editing everything. Personal skills, edit. You don't need graphic designer, edit. So when you are now done with all the things you are editing, you come here. Now one thing I should also say is, when you are writing a portfolio, and about me is important. Let me go back there. This place that talks about me, it's good that you talk about personal information about maybe things you like to do, things you like to eat. Just joke around so that they see you as a real person, not just as a professional person. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Like in my own portfolio, I talked about how I am somebody who always stays indoor and who likes to play guitar and who is sort of a perfectionist. I just try to talk about myself. Then I now try to relate how those my personal qualities help me to be better at my job in the way that I can help my target audience achieve the desired result. So that's the way it works. Make sure you talk about me. Then when you are done, you come to this share. Then instead of you downloading everything as a picture, let's come to this download. Instead of you downloading everything as a picture, you simply change it to PDF standard. Have you seen? Then you leave it to all pages, then you click download. So once you do that, it's going to be a PDF file. Now when you've downloaded that, you can now upload it to your Google Drive. So you now share the link to that your Google Drive as your portfolio. Do you understand? The link to the PDF file on your Google Drive, you share it to anywhere on social media, on LinkedIn or any other place. You share it as your portfolio. You can even share it on Twitter and pin it. I've been talking about pinning your sales page on Twitter. You can pin your portfolio too on Twitter. You can just share a tweet and find out how I was able to help over 150 website owners generate $1,000+ from organic traffic as an SEO content writer. Use the link below to find out. And when they click the link, it's just simply taking them to your portfolio. And that's just a clickbait to make people read your portfolio. So when they read your portfolio, they will now be interested in hiring you as an SEO content writer. So that's going to be all on this portfolio class. Hope you got some things from this class. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.